We're celebrating my birthday, Mom.
Okay, go.
How are you? Luca! Luca!
Dagan na nag-bloopers.
Luca! Ano ko?
Go.
How are you? What?
We're celebrating my birthday, Mom.
That's how Lucas, how are you feeling? I'm gonna check you first, okay? Ma'am, Lucas, you need to rest first because
Go.
Lucas, you need to
Sariling apuan.
Promise, katulugon na kayo po.
Lucas, you need to rest. Uy, sama kayo sila, Carl. Why?
Oh, sila. Ano mama? Tapo lang.
Oh, si kuya na lalaki.